Hello, my dear student. So, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you are enjoying my online classes. So, already I have take your two classes. In that two classes, already I have discussed the uh, leaf, the food machine. Okay. So, in that class, already I have discussed the process of photosynthesis and the different shape of the leaves, how the shape of the leaves vary from plant to plant. Yes, so and the structure of leaves and different part of the leaves and the function of the leaves, yes or no. So already this chapter is finished. Today I am going to discuss the question answer exercise. It is page number 19. Okay, write down page number 19. Okay, refer to page number 19 exercise. Okay, so in first question, okay, so first question answer the following question. Okay, so in first question one the structure of leaves. Okay, they given a one structure of the leaves. In that leaves you have to identify the different structure of the leaves. Okay, so question number first. Okay, a, this is the a. So first what will happen, you have to draw one leaves. Okay, in that leaves you have to identify different part. Okay, so suppose this is a structure of leaves, yes or no. So in that structure of leaves, okay, so a broad line is going in the middle of the leaves. Okay, so this is called a mid rib. Yes, what this mid rib. Okay, and these are the net like structure. Okay, in that leaves. Okay, so this is called a veil, yes or no. And the border, the surrounding border of the leaves. Okay, so this all surrounding border of the leaves are called what, it is the blade. Okay, and this is called petiole. What, petiole. Okay, so through again if you suppose take a plant from the stem. Okay, so this is called a stem, yes or no. From the stem, okay, from the stem small plant arises. This is called a stipule. Okay, so this is about the structure of leaves. Okay, and this is a broad line. Okay, a thick broad line is going inside the leaves. So this is called mid rib. Okay, and the vein like structure are called which are spread all over the leaves. So this is called vein. Okay, and the surrounding of the leaves. Okay, it is cover the all the surrounding of the leaf. This is called blade. Okay, and the one from the here. Okay, from the here you will be find out the petiole. Okay, and this is called stipule. Okay, and this is the stem. Okay, so this about the structure of leaves in first question. Come to second question. Okay, okay, come to question number B. Okay, so first B question, what, yes, sorry, A का this is second, this is second. Okay, so what role does each parts play in the keeping the plant healthy. Okay, so in the leaves, so different parts is there, midrib, vein, petiole. Okay, so what are the function of the parts. Okay, so tell me what is the first what parts, make a chart. Okay, parts and here function. Okay, so first what is midrib. Okay, so it is support. Okay, support the vein, yes or no. Then come to vein. Okay, it is orange and transport. Okay, Transport means travel, okay, or provide. Transport food and mineral. Yes or no? So what will happen? The in that vein, okay. So the vein is spread all over the parts of the leaves. So what will happen? The root take of food, water, mineral from the ground, okay. So after that, the vein it will be spread to every each and every part of the leaves, okay. So this is the structure of a function of a vein. Then come to what? Blade, okay. So blade, okay. It is helping covering the leaves, okay. Yes or no? So then petiole, okay. It is support, okay. Yes or no? It is support the leaves whole body. Yes or no? Whole body. Yes or no? So this is about the structure. This is the parts of the leaves, and this is the function of the leaves. Okay. So what will happen? The mid-rib. Okay. A broad line is going. Okay. See here. You can observe this. A broad line is going. Okay. So this is called a mid-rib. Okay. So mid-rib it is support the vein. From the vein. Okay. Yes. Small. The vein are erases na. Yes or no? It is net like it is cover on the. It is cover on the in the leaves. Okay. So this is the structure about leaves. Okay. Then vein. What is the function of vein? So what will happen from the root? Okay. Plant take food material, and what will happen? It is provide to the midroot, again to midroot to it is spread. Okay. It is midroot to it is spread the different part of the leaves. Yes or no? So then blade, okay. So this surrounding is called a blade, okay. This surrounding is called blade. So blade, what will happen? It is covering the leaves, okay. And come to petiole. So this is called petiole. So petiole, what is the function of petiole? It is support the leaves of the whole. It is support the leaves whole body structure, okay. So total body structure, it petiole cover the of the leaves, okay. So come to question number B. Okay. Question number B. It is the question number 1. First I and second I is over. Then come to question number B. Okay. So why is the upper side of a leaf smoother and waxier than the underside? Okay. So question right. Why is the upper side of a leaves, okay, smoother and waxier than the underside? Okay. Yes or no? So the question asked, okay. So already in class I saw the leaves, okay. The upper side is it is smooth, and it is wax like, okay. So and why the upper side only smooth, but the underside, okay, underside is not smooth, okay. So write down answer. Why? Tell me. Because the upper side chlorophyll pigment is there, and in the upper side of the leaves it trap the sunlight, and upper side also it releases water in the process of transpiration. So that's why the upper side is very smooth, and okay. So right, the upper side is smooth and Warwickshire. Okay, because the upper side have chlorophyll pigment and also upper side trap means observe. Okay, trap means observe. Okay, so trap means observe sunlight. Yes, so the upper side is smooth and waxy because upper side have faster chlorophyll pigment and upper side trap the sunlight. Okay, so that's why the upper side of the leaves are smooth and waxier than the underside. Underside is very rough. Okay, so this is over question number B. Come to question number C. Okay. So question number C. Okay. So what makes plant capable of manufacturing their own food? Okay. So question number. Okay. Question number C. What makes plant capable of manufacturing their own food. Okay, their own food. Okay, so first understand the question. Okay, so what makes plant capable of manufacturing their food? Okay, so means in the which way or which substance is required to make plant their own food. Okay, so write down. The answer should be plant can capable of making food. Okay, making their own food by the help of what? Help of sunlight. First sunlight, then chlorophyll. Yes or no? Chlorophyll, then carbon dioxide. Yes or no? Yes or no? Carbon dioxide, then mineral. Yes or no? Okay, soil. Yes or no? So means what are the substance are required to prepare their own food. Okay, so first one is the sunlight, then chlorophyll, then carbon dioxide, mineral and soil. So these are the substance required to plant can make their own food. Yes or no? So question number C is over. Come to question number D. Okay, so question number D, write down. Question number D. Okay, so question number D, yes or no? So what time of the day our leaves is the busiest? Give reason for your opinion. Okay, so tell me what time. Okay, so answer should be write down. So the what time means what time the leaves are look like very busy. Yes, you also in your life busy or not? Yes or no? So in plant where what time it may be busy, so you need daytime. Why? Because daytime their sunlight is very high. So because in daytime they busy the trapping their sunlight or trapping or absorbing their sunlight, but night time there is no sunlight, that's why in that time night time they are very normal. Yes or no? So right, at daytime, okay, daytime the plant are busy, plant are busy because of absorb, okay, absorb means trap, absorb of sunlight. Yes, so due to, because in daytime, okay, so in daytime it is your duty you have to write question, okay, only I am writing answer, okay. So at daytime the plant are busy because of absorb sunlight, okay. So what only ask what time you have to write it only daytime, okay. So this is our question number first, it is 4 question. Come to question number 2, fill in the blanks, yes or no, you have to only fill in the blanks, okay. Question number 2, fill in the blanks, okay, in the blanks, yes or no. So first question A, okay. So days are the only living things that make their own food. So who is the only living things they can prepare their own food? Who? Plant or animal? Who? Plant. Yes or no? Answer should be plant. Then come to second question. After all flowering plant have dash and dash and dash, okay. So it is 5 option is there, you have to write, okay. So tell me, all flowering plant have a dash and dash. All flowering plant have a what? Root. Yes or no? Then a stem. Yes or no? Then a leaf. Yes or no? Yes or no? Flower. Yes or no? Fruits. 5 is over na? 3, 4, 5 is over. Yes or no? So all flowering plant have a root, stem, leaves, flower, fruits. Yes or no? So this is the about the okay. Come to question number C. Okay. So a compound leaf has more than one dash on a single stalk. A compound leaf have more than what? Leaf blade. Yes or no? Compound leaf have more than leaf blade. Yes or no? Then come to question number D. Okay. So the main vein which run through the center of a leaf is called dash. So a line, a thick line is going in the middle of the leaves. What is the name of this thick line? So it is called a mid rib. Yes or no? Mid rib. Then come to question number E. Okay. So plant breathe. Okay. Plant breathe through tiny opening called. Okay. So plant can take what? Carbon dioxide and releases oxygen through a hole. The whole name is called, what is this whole name? It is a stomata. Yes or no? Then come to question number F. Okay. So plant releases dash during the process of photosynthesis. Okay. So plant releases dash. Okay. We now plant take carbon dioxide and releases what? Oxygen. So it is a oxygen. What is the symbol of oxygen? It is a O2. Yes or no? Then come to G. Question number G. Okay. So chlorophyll is a dash in color. Okay. Chlorophyll is a black color, white color, yellow color, what color? So it is a green color. Yes. Then H. Okay. Question number H. So plant manufacture food in the form of what? Plant in the process of photosynthesis prepare their food na. So what is this called? This is called it is a starch. Yes or no? This is called a starch. Yes or no? So this is about the fill in the blanks. It is over. So remaining I will discuss in your next period. Come question number 3 onwards. Okay. So don't worry about this. Have a nice day. Okay. So if you have doubt, you can put your doubt on the comment box. Okay. And if you like this video and you have like and subscribe in that button. Yes or no?